the domain. Hello friends, today we are going to see how to transfer the domain in IIS. So go to your server manager and click on IIS manager. After clicking on IIS manager, click on add website and then give a site name here. So I'm just entering techturn.co.in. Then you have to set a physical path. Yeah. Just want to show you that the domain is with a GoDaddy, and I'm just transferring it to hosting Raja server. So let's continue again. So give the physical path and just enter the IP address over here and give the host name. I think we need to check that whether physical path is available or not. Yeah, it's not available, so let's create it. So go to your folder and whichever folder you would like to host your website. So I'm going in my folder where I have my all the websites. So just giving a name as Techturn. Oops, I did a mistake. Just dragging it to the actual folder. So many websites. Come on, come on. कब आएगा? यार. Okay, so here it is. Here it is. So now click on OK. Just let's check once. Yeah, it's there. Now click on OK and click everything is set it. So let's click OK, and so here you can see your domain insights. Alright, it's called ID as well. So let's click on bindings. We're going to add another binding in this with IP address all unassigned, and I have given the host name and port 80. I'm going to add again one more binding. So in this case, I'm going to give host name as a www. The domain name. Okay, so then in application pool, I'm going to do some settings over here. Okay, so in this, I'm going to check what are the settings I have used for my previous domain over here. So I can see that I have enabled the 32-bit option in my previous domain. So I'm going to click on my Techturn domain and click on this advanced settings and then enable 32-bit. Alright, now just click on stop and start again. I don't know why I'm pressing this, but I just clicked on the recycle as well. I will explain it later on. So now next step is to click on tools and go to DNS. Thank God this get open faster. Now find your domain over here. So of course it will not be there. So you have to create a new one. Alright. So let's create a forward lookup domain zone here. So new zone. Alright. Click on next. Next. Primary zone. Next. So give the zone name. I'm keeping it as my website domain name. So create a new file with this. Do not allow dynamic update. Next. Finish. Alright. Now you can see my domain is available over here. Now click on, you can find that the two DNS settings are already there. So I'm going to open another DNS window so that I can take a reference from my previous domain. So I can see that I have three settings in this. One is for SOA, that is start of authority, and next one, see, I have as this the same setting by default over here. I don't need to change anything because these are the default settings. So if you click on see, these are the two domains, and I'm just giving a serial number 23 to this my new domain. And if you see a general tab, everything is same. I don't need to change anything. Name server is also same. Then this is also same. This is also same. Yep. Now click on OK. Okay. Now my next one is NS1 records. So this is the same records, which this is a bit default record, and I don't need to change that one. Now I want to create a new host, new record here. So I'm keeping a name blank, and I will enter my IP address over here. Okay, so it's 10. I'm not going to tell my IP address to you guys. Sorry. So just create add host. Okay, close. You can see that three DNS record settings are there for my newly transferred domain. Alright, so I'm going to that folder where my my website I'm going to launch. So in this folder, I'm going to click on right click, properties, and then in security, what you need to do is just click on edit, add, advanced, find now, find the name, and authenticated user. Okay, and give all the access to your authenticated user. This is the first. Then again you add location, sorry, not location, advanced, find now, click on find now, and then I'm gonna find the I'm going to click on IIS users. Okay, so this is my second user to whom I'm gonna give all the rights. All right, so apply. Okay, add third one now. Again, click on advanced, find now, and click on I, and just add I user, only I user. Okay, I'm trying for a multiple users selection. I also want a network service. Okay, so I click on this. Yeah, I can add two users. Give all the access to network user. Give all the access to your I user, and click on OK. Click on OK. Alright. Just cross checking. That's fine. Okay. Now, I have some few files in my different folders just to check whether my website is running or not. It is for a testing purpose. You can say the alpha beta version, because you can consider anything. As client have finalized this website, I just hosted on this domain. I just copy pasted all the files from there to my original domain name. Alright, now I'm gonna see whether my website is running or not. So Google Chrome and website name, yeah, it's working fine. So this is how you can transfer the domain and make it usable in your VPS server. So domain was with a GoDaddy and I hosted it on Hosting Raja. Thank you for watching this video.